living spaces into havens of beauty and tranquility. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're diving into a truly captivating outdoor feature: the raised koi pond. If you've ever dreamt of adding a serene, vibrant element to your garden, you're in for a treat. We'll explore what makes these ponds so special, their incredible benefits, how to decorate them to perfection, and the essential items you'll need. Plus, we'll showcase 10 of the most stunning raised koi pond designs to spark your imagination. So, what exactly is a raised koi pond? Unlike traditional in-ground ponds, a raised koi pond has its walls extending above ground level. This elevated structure offers a multitude of advantages, both aesthetically and practically. They can be built from various materials like stone, brick, concrete, or even wood, allowing for incredible design flexibility that integrates seamlessly with your existing landscape or home architecture. Think of them as living works of art, bringing the mesmerizing beauty of koi fish closer to eye level. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of having a raised koi pond. Firstly, the elevated design offers enhanced safety, especially if you have children or pets, as the raised walls act as a natural barrier. This also makes it easier to observe your magnificent koi, allowing you to appreciate their vibrant colors and graceful movements without having to bend down. Maintenance becomes significantly more accessible too. Cleaning, feeding, and checking water parameters are all less strenuous when the pond is at a comfortable height. Furthermore, raised ponds can be less susceptible to ground-level contaminants and pests. Aesthetically, they provide a strong focal point in your garden, adding architectural interest and a sense of permanence. They can define spaces, create visual pathways, and even offer additional seating around their edges, making your outdoor area more functional and inviting. Lastly, the sound of circulating water from a filter or a small waterfall adds a calming ambient noise, transforming your backyard into a peaceful sanctuary. Decorating your raised koi pond to look beautiful is where your creativity truly shines. The key is to blend the pond seamlessly with its surroundings while highlighting its unique features. Consider incorporating natural elements like strategically placed rocks and aquatic plants within or around the pond. Water lilies, lotus, and submerged plants not only add visual appeal but also provide shade and filtration for your fish. The coping, or the capstone along the pond's edge, can be chosen to complement your patio or garden pathways, creating a cohesive look. Lighting is crucial for evening ambience. Underwater lights can illuminate your koi, while accent lights around the pond can highlight nearby plantings or architectural features. Think about adding a small waterfall or fountain for both visual interest and the soothing sound of moving water. Finally, integrate comfortable seating areas nearby, perhaps a bench or lounge chairs, so you can fully relax and enjoy your aquatic masterpiece. The goal is to create a harmonious microenvironment that invites you to linger and appreciate the beauty it brings. Now, let's get inspired with 20 of the best raised koi pond design ideas. Each of these showcases unique ways to incorporate these magnificent water features into diverse outdoor spaces. (1) The serene stone-clad oasis. This beautiful rectangular raised koi pond is expertly constructed with natural stone, creating a rugged yet refined aesthetic that blends seamlessly with the surrounding garden. The varied heights of the coping stones add visual interest, while lush green plants soften the edges. A vibrant school of koi fish, with their striking orange, white, and black patterns, gracefully glide through the clear water, reflecting the sky above. The adjacent paved patio invites contemplation, making this pond a true focal point for relaxation. 2. Modern minimalist elegance. This design exemplifies contemporary garden aesthetics with its clean lines and monochromatic palette. The large rectangular raised pond is framed by crisp, light-colored stone coping, contrasting beautifully with the dark water. The surrounding minimalist landscaping features perfectly manicured box hedges and sparse, sculptural trees, creating a sense of calm and order. A smaller, square water feature with lush green plantings adds an intriguing visual element, making this outdoor space a sophisticated retreat. 3. Zen Garden Sanctuary. Evoking the tranquility of a traditional Japanese garden, this raised koi pond is nestled amongst towering bamboo and carefully placed natural rocks. The dark stone coping provides a stark contrast to the lively orange and white koi swimming beneath the surface. 2 illuminated stone lanterns cast a warm, inviting glow, creating a magical ambience as dusk settles. The soft gravel pathway leading around the pond enhances the meditative quality of this peaceful outdoor sanctuary. 4. Cozy patio retreat with a splash of color. Perfectly integrated into a charming patio setting, this raised koi pond transforms a small outdoor space into a vibrant haven. The pond's simple, rectangular design with light-colored block coping complements the neutral tones of the patio furniture. A delightful collection of colorful koi fish adds life and movement to the water, while potted flowering plants like fuchsia and yellow blooms frame the scene, creating a cheerful and inviting atmosphere for outdoor relaxation. 5. The Dynamic Family Fun Pond. This spacious raised koi pond is a hub of activity, featuring a lively array of colorful koi swimming gracefully. The robust stone and concrete construction of the pond's edge provides a solid and attractive boundary, seamlessly connecting to a paved patio area ideal for outdoor dining. A subtle water feature, visible by the ripples in the water, adds gentle movement and the soothing sound of flowing water, making this pond a dynamic and engaging element of a family-friendly backyard. 6. Natural stone and pebble harmony. This exquisitely designed raised koi pond showcases a beautiful blend of natural textures. One side of the pond features an artfully arranged section of smooth, multicolored river pebbles and larger stones, creating a visually appealing and tactile edge. The pond itself is clean and clear, allowing the vibrant orange and white koi to be easily admired. Lush green plantings and large, rugged boulders in the background complete this harmonious and organic landscape design. 7. Cascading Waterfall Paradise. This raised koi pond is elevated to a new level of beauty with a stunning integrated waterfall feature. Water cascades gracefully over stacked stone, creating a soothing auditory and visual experience. The generous size of the pond accommodates a diverse collection of lively koi, their colors shimmering beneath the flowing water. The surrounding garden is richly planted with vibrant flowers and greenery, framing the pond as a magnificent and lively centerpiece. 8. Rustic charm with rounded edges. This charming raised koi pond features a unique, gentle curve, softening the overall garden design. The pond's edge is adorned with a natural array of various sized rocks and stones, creating a rustic and organic feel that blends with the informal grassy surroundings. A lively collection of koi fish swim in the clear water, adding splashes of red, white, and orange to this inviting and unpretentious backyard feature. 9. Sleek decking and pond integration. This contemporary raised koi pond is beautifully integrated within a spacious wooden deck, creating a seamless transition between the living space and the water feature. The clean lines of the pond are mirrored by the well-maintained wooden planks, while tall ornamental grasses border one side, adding a touch of natural softness. A variety of colorful koi fish add life and movement to the dark water, making this an ideal design for modern homes seeking a sophisticated outdoor oasis. 10. Compact Corner Jewel Box Pond. This elevated square koi pond serves as a delightful focal point in a compact garden space. Its dark coping contrasts with the light, textured stone of its base, creating a refined aesthetic. The clear water allows for excellent viewing of the vibrant koi, with their striking patterns. Surrounded by lush, manicured green shrubs and larger accent rocks, this pond demonstrates how even smaller areas can be transformed into elegant and serene aquatic havens. 11. The L-shaped garden gem. This charming L-shaped raised koi pond is a delightful addition to a lush garden, showcasing how thoughtful design can integrate water features into existing landscapes. The light-colored stone coping provides a clean edge, contrasting with the dark water. Water lilies and other aquatic plants add natural beauty and provide shelter for the orange and white koi swimming beneath. The pond is surrounded by a mix of manicured lawn, paved pathways, and vibrant flower beds, creating a harmonious and inviting outdoor space. 12. Grand Architectural Statement Pond. This large, multi-level raised koi pond is a true architectural masterpiece, featuring sleek dark stone cladding and sophisticated waterfall spouts that create gentle, mesmerizing flows of water. The generous dimensions of the pond allow for a magnificent display of varied koi, from striking red and white patterns to shimmering gold and speckled varieties, all visible through the crystal-clear water. Lush green hedges border the pond, providing a soft contrast to the strong lines, while a distant seating area invites quiet contemplation of this grand water feature. 13. Winding Stone Pathway Pond. This captivating raised koi pond features a unique, winding design that follows a curved stone pathway, creating a dynamic and immersive garden experience. The natural stone construction, complemented by smooth river pebbles on one side, gives the pond an organic feel. A small waterfall feeds into the main pond, adding the calming sound of trickling water. A vibrant collection of koi fish gracefully navigate the clear water, making this pond a central and engaging element of a beautifully landscaped backyard. 14. Botanical Oasis with Serpentine Pond. This long, winding raised koi pond creates a serene pathway through a vibrant botanical garden. The pond's edges are defined by sturdy stone and concrete work, blending with the surrounding natural elements. Abundant flowering plants in shades of pink, yellow, and red spill over the edges, creating a lush, colorful display. A diverse array of koi fish, with their striking patterns, glide through the dark water, making this pond an integral part of a rich and inviting outdoor sanctuary. 15. Indoor-Outdoor Viewing Gallery Pond. This innovative raised koi pond design offers a spectacular view both from outdoors and indoors. The large, rectangular outdoor pond features a sleek, modern design, while a unique glass panel integrated into the pond side allows for an incredible underwater viewing experience from inside the adjacent room. This creates a living aquarium, showcasing the vibrant koi fish up close, making it a mesmerizing focal point and a truly unique feature that bridges the interior and exterior spaces. 16. Classic Serenity with Water Cascade. This inviting raised koi pond offers a classic and tranquil garden setting. Its robust stone and concrete construction provide a sturdy frame, while a charming small waterfall gently cascades into the main pond, adding both visual and auditory delight. A variety of colorful koi fish swim gracefully in the clear water, which is kept healthy with the help of what appears to be a solar panel for power. The pond is surrounded by a beautifully landscaped garden with a winding pathway, lush green bushes, and vibrant pink and red flowers, creating a truly serene atmosphere. 17. The Expansive Boardwalk Pond. This large, natural-style pond, elevated in parts by a sleek wooden boardwalk, creates an immersive experience, inviting observers to stroll alongside the water's edge. Lily pads elegantly float on the surface, providing natural shade and a rustic charm. A multitude of vibrant koi fish, in shades of orange, white, and gold, are visible just beneath the surface, adding bursts of color to the dark, reflective water. The integration of the wooden deck allows for close-up viewing and a deeper connection with the aquatic environment. 18. Contemporary Backyard Hub Pond. This substantial rectangular raised koi pond serves as a striking centerpiece in a modern backyard. Constructed with a combination of light-colored brick and sleek dark coping, it offers a sophisticated contrast. The crystal-clear water allows for an excellent view of the numerous, large koi fish, showcasing their impressive size and vibrant coloration. The pond is thoughtfully integrated into a paved patio area, complete with outdoor seating, making it a perfect spot for entertaining or simply relaxing and enjoying the aquatic life. 19. DIY Wooden Deckside Pond. This charming L-shaped raised koi pond is creatively built with wooden planks, demonstrating a more natural and approachable aesthetic, perfect for a cozy backyard. The pond's design allows it to be nestled alongside an existing wooden deck, creating a seamless transition. A small, decorative tiered planter at the corner adds a pop of color with vibrant flowers. This pond showcases how a raised design can be achieved with accessible materials, adding a personal touch to any outdoor space. 20. Indoor Atrium Koi Oasis. This truly spectacular raised koi pond is an extraordinary feature, dramatically integrated into the interior of a luxurious home's atrium. The octagonal pond is framed by elegant marble, creating a grand focal point in a spacious living area. Natural light floods the space from large windows, illuminating the clear water and the serene koi fish swimming within. This design blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor living, bringing the tranquility of a pond environment directly into the comfort and sophistication of the home. Wow, weren't those designs absolutely breathtaking? As you can see, a raised koi pond is more than just a water feature. It's a living, breathing piece of art that can transform your outdoor space into a sanctuary of peace and beauty. Whether you prefer a minimalist modern look, a tranquil Japanese garden, or a vibrant family-friendly pond, there's a raised koi pond design out there for you. They offer not just aesthetic appeal, but also practical benefits in terms of safety and maintenance, making them a truly rewarding addition to any home. We hope this video has inspired you to consider the wonderful world of raised koi ponds for your own home. If you enjoyed this journey through stunning designs and practical tips, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas and valuable insights into making your home and garden truly shine. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'd love to hear which design was your favorite, or if you have a raised koi pond of your own, share your tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.